I pull up and get me a play. I pull up and get me a play. 1200 horse. I love her performance. Christians with none of them trust. That's just a motherfucking god. It's a motherfucking Porsche. So look, right? We damn near almost failed that shit. I say, yo, what's good, y'all, man? Hey, look, before the video, even before the intro, before I say anything, make sure you scroll down right now, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on post notifications. But, you know what I'm saying, today we gotta get ready with me, you feel me? You seen I just brushed my teeth. I'm applying that black seed oil, man. Y'all gotta get hip, man, especially if you got black people hair. Not even black people hair, if you melanated, right? If your skin is melanated, bro, tap in with the black seed oil, my guy. But yeah, man, so right here all we doing is pretty much getting ready for college, bro. My basic routine, other than me taking a shower, is in the video pretty much. I didn't add really every product that I did put on my body or in my hair, bro, because it's simple. I'm not sponsored, so I'm not obligated to do anything. But the overview and like the theme of this video is I want to give it up to the people who feel like they trapped in life and who feel like they trapped in the environment, you know what I'm saying? Because that's where I come from. I come from a trapped environment. And I'm not talking about just shooting and killing and robbing people. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about y'all mindset. You dig what I'm saying? So all the young people out there who got a trapped mindset, bro, this video is for you. I want to open up your mindset and to tell you right now and to show you later on, bro, it's more ways that you can get money. It's more ways than you can do. Anything that you imagine, bro, you can do, bro. That's all I'm trying to show to y'all young niggas, bro. And that's the reason I post 2 times a day for y'all. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. But nah, man, you seen a quick little move. Yeah. But anyways, bro, you know what I'm saying? So we good. We on our way to school, like actually right now. And I don't even think it's nothing else more to do. Oh, iron my shirt. Oh yeah, make sure y'all ironing y'all shirt, bro. Cause you know, you don't want to go to school with no wrinkled shirt unless that looks good, my nigga, to you. But nah, man, we on our way to school, bro. Today is gonna be like a little light day, you know what I'm saying? I just had to vlog it for y'all, cause I know a lot of y'all begging for these vlogs because I've just been putting out reviews and everything like that. But once I get out the restroom, once I get done ironing my clothes, I go straight to the comment section. Yeah, man, I'm texting y'all. Y'all getting these daily good morning texts. So make sure you comment down below so y'all can get a chance to get those daily good morning texts. But yeah, man, as soon as I'm done replying back to y'all comment, you know what I'm saying? We heading straight downstairs. We going for the door. Hey, bro, look, I know you see my socks. Don't even pick on my socks, okay? I know you people. I know they look hard. But yeah, bro, we rushed downstairs because look, bro, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I be giving myself at least like 30 minutes to school, like 20 minutes away from me. So I be giving myself like 30 minutes to drive and this and that and the third. But y'all about to hear me like in video. I know this commentary. Y'all niggas not used to this commentary. But yeah, I'll catch y'all in the car. Yo, what's good, bro? We on our way to school type shit. We about to go to computer class, you dig? So, hey, I usually have my school vlogs on my second channel, but it ain't even like my second channel ain't even monetized yet. Like a lot of y'all be asking me like, yo, post on your second channel. I'll post on my second channel, bro, but my first channel monetized and I be bringing y'all damn near double uploads each and every day, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications, because I know a lot of y'all haven't. All right, y'all, so what we really about to get into is we about to go to school, then we about to go to class, and then that'll probably be it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I think this is my first ever get ready with me. I don't know, bro. I did like some morning routines, but I ain't never did no get ready with me type shit. Flying on the plane, shit in private, nigga. Put the choice on you if you don't like it, nigga. Yeah. Hold on my motherfucking AI. Try to skip out like a wrestler. Record myself, I hit the space bar. I'm winning the fight. Junior shining bright. Drunken out of hood. Kick shit, kill. I pull up and get me a play. I pull up and get me a play.
Up and catch me a play. I'm finna pin the mama. 400 horse. I love her performance. Christian do none of them plus. That's just a motherfucking god. It's a motherfucking push.
Hey, do you know, like, I can tell, like, especially like look, right, with white people get, like, I can tell when they get scared. You know what I'm saying? I feel like with black people it's kind of harder to, you know, well, it's not really harder, but it's just different ways they do it. You know what I'm saying? But white people, it's like the instance, right? So I'm walking by this white person. I'm walking by this white nigga. He instantly get on his phone. Like, I could tell you scared. He kind of shook. Kind of like, I don't know, bro. Like, I believe niggas be scared of dreads and shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? And the way the culture paint dreads and shit, right? We got 15 minutes until we go to class. You know, and y'all be responding quick too. That's y'all, by the way. That's y'all texting me. Y'all the only people I be texting, bro. Y'all the only people I be texting, bro. I don't be texting these females, bro. I be texting y'all, like, you know what I'm saying? Y'all be having my attention. Like, I gotta keep y'all with my attention, because sometimes y'all get jealous and y'all be like, why you ain't showing us no attention? Why you ain't texting us back? I just started giving y'all good morning text, so make sure you comment so I can text you, right? My door's open this whole time. I can't be too early to class, bro. You know what I'm saying? I sit in there and I be thinking, I be like, damn, I'm really tired of this shit. If y'all couldn't tell already, bro, I commute. You feel what I'm saying? So I don't stay on campus, but to be 100 with y'all, like, this is my second semester, I'm a freshman. I wouldn't want to stay on campus, but I'd rather have my own space. That's just me, bro. That ain't got nothing. I mean, it do got something to do with the campus, but at the same time, it's not 100% on the campus. It's like I'll say 50% the campus, the other 50% me, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just because I want my own space. I like my own space. You dig what I'm saying? But it's a straight college to come to, though. Like, you know what I'm saying? Especially like, yo, like, y'all gotta play this shit smart, bro. The reason you want to come here is because so you can network with people. You feel me? I feel like networking, because in life, it's not about what you know, it's about who you know. You know what I'm saying? You could be the best rapper out there, but just because you don't know nobody in Epic, you could never get a deal. You know what I'm saying? But maybe somebody in Epic went to your college, you feel me? And they can slide you in that door. Got the 6 feet sign out there on the goddamn football field. How you gonna put a 6 feet? Look at this shit. You're gonna have a 6 feet sign on the football field. Don't dare say nothing about my sock, so we might have to fight. Look though, if you stuck in your city, if you don't like being at home though, bro, yeah, you feel me? College might be for you, type shit. You know what I'm saying? And then, like, if you get into a lot of trouble where you at, bro, that's the sign that you gotta go to college, bro. Cause for black people and shit, bro, if we don't go to college for football, basketball, anything like that, most of the time we won't go to college. You feel me? Y'all see how we got stairs right here? When we get our skateboard, bro, we're gonna be over there.
Still, we're going to start from basic stuff here. Basic, use it before.
No trash can?
No.
Hey, look, bro. Hey, look. So look, bro. We damn near almost failed that shit. We made it 72. This is my excuse, right? Nigga, who uses Access, bro? This shit 100. Who uses Access? On a daily basis, nigga. A lot of y'all niggas probably don't even know what Access is. But I'm saying, you know how they got spreadsheet, Word, you dig what I'm saying? Who the fuck uses Access? That's why the fuck I made it 72, man. Alright, so we pretty much back in the car. On the way to the crib, pretty much back in the car, you dig? What I really want to say is, why the fuck do these niggas be having masks on, like, outside? Like y'all niggas be trying to protect y'allself from trees and shit? Like, y'all don't see how, like, look, it ain't really a lot of people here. You feel me? But I don't know, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all back at home, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all back at the crib because my camera is trying to die on me, bro. We've been vlogging all day for y'all. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'll catch y'all at the crib.
Side one go up, down.